Chris said, a couple of bullets rattling around, and then we hit the deck. And once the authorities converged, we assisted with the two patients that may have gotten shot up in the grandstand, and we cleared a path for getting them out of the way. And it's just a sad day for America. Well, after we heard the shots got fired, then the hydraulic line was spraying all around. You could see the hydraulic fluid coming out of it, and then the speaker tower started to fall down. And then we heard another shot that you could hear. You knew something was. It was bullets. I mean, it wasn't firecrackers. I mean, they weren't super loud shots, but you could tell they were you know.
You could hear it landing, the ammunition landing on metal.
Yeah, it was. And then we just kind of took cover behind it. There was a farm tractor there. We just told everybody to get down. We tried to get them to move back because at that time we didn't know if we're still an active shooter. And then turned around and we were concerned for the president to beat Trump. And we saw him stand up, and it looks like he was really, you know, the Secret Service really had huddled around him. And then he got up and then he gave the motion it was okay. And then after that, we were just trying to get out safely.
Di antara banyak sumber informasi, kami layak dipercaya. Karena kami menggali lebih dalam, berpihak pada kebenaran, berpegang pada data dan fakta, agar layak Anda jadikan referensi. Kompas TV, independen, terpercaya.